In this video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best RC helicopters for 2025. From advanced features to impressive performance, we've got the best models that will take your flying experience to new heights. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 4. C189 RC Helicopter. The C189 RC Helicopter is an impressive, scaled-down version of the U.S. Coast Guard's rescue helicopter. Featuring a red and white color scheme, this model is designed with a single propeller and a brushless dual motor setup for enhanced power and stability. With a rotor diameter of 320 millimeters, a body length of 335 millimeters, and a height of 126 millimeters, it combines a realistic design with excellent functionality. Equipped with a 6-axis electronic gyroscope and a barometer for altitude control, the C189 ensures stable flight and hovering at various heights, making it easy to control. The optical flow positioning adds extra stability, especially useful for beginners. This helicopter is powered by dual brushless motors, providing stronger power and resistance to outdoor wind conditions, plus a longer service life. With a range of flight functions like ascent, descent, forward, backward, left and right flight, and stunts like rotating and flying along a route, it offers a fun and engaging flying experience. Additionally, it features a modular battery with intelligent power management, ensuring longer battery life and easier installation. Safety is a priority with built-in protections, such as low-voltage alarms, rotor lock protection, and loss-of-control safeguards. The remote control allows for precise handling, and with one-click takeoff and landing, flying the C189 is hassle-free. Whether you're a beginner or experienced pilot, this helicopter offers reliable performance and is a great addition to any RC collection. Number 3. Flywing FW450 LV3 RC Helicopter. The Flywing FW450 LV3 RC Helicopter offers advanced technology and performance in one sleek package. Powered by a high-efficiency 1624-volt high-power brushless motor and a 60-ampere electronic speed controller, this model provides impressive power and longevity. The brushless motor eliminates the inefficiencies of traditional brushed motors, ensuring a longer lifespan and more efficient flight. Designed for both beginners and advanced pilots, the FW450 LV3 features the robust H1 flight controller, which offers reliable GPS connectivity, electronic shielding, and built-in compasses for improved stability and control. The Swiss-made U-Blox 4 chip inside the GPS module ensures precise navigation, making this helicopter ideal for outdoor flights. One of the standout features is the one-key return function. If you lose signal or your helicopter's battery runs low, simply flip the home switch, and the FW450 LV3 will automatically return to the transmitter's location. This function provides peace of mind, especially during emergency situations. The FW450 LV3 is constructed with a carbon fiber frame, offering excellent toughness and resistance to distortion, reducing the risk of damage during complex aerobatic maneuvers. Plus, the high-precision 6-channel transmitter lets you control the helicopter with ease, offering a range of up to 1 kilometer and automatic braking and hovering when you release the joysticks. With its combination of power, stability, and advanced features, the Flywing FW450 LV3 RC Helicopter is a top choice for enthusiasts looking to elevate their flying experience. Number 2. Flywing Bell 206 RC Helicopter. The Flywing Bell 206 RC Helicopter delivers exceptional flight performance and advanced features for both hobbyists and experienced pilots. Powered by a 16-volt motor and the H1 flight control system, this model ensures precise hovering and stability with the help of omnidirectional positioning and Beidou satellite technology. Even during low battery scenarios, it features a reliable return to home function to bring the helicopter safely back to you. This helicopter utilizes a 700-level FBL rotor design, which enhances control and stability compared to traditional 450 LDFC rotor structures. The robust 470L level shafts provide durability for smoother flight operations, even in challenging conditions. For added longevity and ease of use, the Flywing Bell 206 comes with a full metal gear mechanism and a high-strength M3 arc gear transmission belt. The torsion spring tensioner makes maintenance quick and simple, allowing for tool-free belt replacement within minutes. The efficient power system features a 16V2816 brushless motor combined with a 32-bit dual processor, 60 a helicopter electronic speed controller. This setup ensures ultra-fast response times and excellent speed control, making it ideal for performing demanding 3D maneuvers. With the 4S 3000 mAh battery, the Flywing Bell 206 offers over 20 minutes of uninterrupted flight time, delivering an enhanced flying experience with its efficient power combination. Whether you're looking for stability, durability, or advanced performance, this helicopter is a top-tier choice for any RC enthusiast. Number 1. Flywing Airwolf FOVU 450 V2 Helicopter. The Flywing Airwolf FW450 V2 is a stunning 6-channel scale remote control helicopter that faithfully replicates the iconic Airwolf design. The body is proportionally optimized to match the original aircraft, with meticulously restored details and openings, and a bright, durable finish achieved through an advanced paint baking process. Equipped with the u-blox M10 GPS system, this helicopter offers spot hover functionality, making it easier for beginners to control and ensuring stable hovering. Additionally, it features a one-key return function, allowing the helicopter to automatically return to its original location, perfect for avoiding potential flying mishaps. Durability is key with the Flywing Airwolf FW450 V2. The composite plastic frame and flexible carbon fiber blades ensure the helicopter can withstand tough conditions while maintaining lightweight performance. With an 80-centimeter wingspan, this model is built to last and provides excellent stability during flight. The helicopter offers around 15 minutes of flight time, giving you more time to enjoy its performance. With adjustable high and low speed modes, it caters to both novice and advanced pilots, making it a versatile choice for any skill level. The 2.4 GHz remote control ensures stable signal transmission with a range of approximately 800 to 1,000 meters, reducing the chance of frequency interference. Ready to fly straight out of the box with the H1 flight control system and GPS altitude hold, the Flywing Airwolf FW450 V2 is an exceptional choice for those seeking a realistic high-performance RC helicopter experience. There you have it. These are the top 4 RC helicopters for 2025. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, there's something for everyone. Let us know which one caught your eye in the comments below.